Welcome back, my viewers and my subscriber. Big Super is in the community of Upper Retreat, heading to Prospect, and right at this junction here, we get to understand that a vehicle was stuck or capsized. My viewers and subscriber, it's the 3rd of November 2022, minutes past 10. I'm on the road here and I'm looking at this section of the road where them dig up, and a lot of rainfall yesterday right on this section here, and the rain will fall lead to a lot of problems. Some of viewers and sub, yesterday it was fixed. Yeah, we come to. Alright. Some of viewers, so a vehicle stuck right here yesterday. Stuck here this morning, sorry about that. Right in that vicinity here, because when the rain come down, it come down so heavy that it come down and it block the road. You see it? They can hardly negotiate it because of the water will come and secure, and to make matters worse, then dig up one side of the road so they're going to lay a pipe. And more you observe when the vehicle then come through this section of the road. We just want you to look at it, the viewers and stuff. So, compound by the rainfall last night. Want you to look at it, my viewers and subscribe. And subscriber. Compounded by the rainfall last night. You see that? You see that? You see that? To come through that gutter, to come through that little narrow area. So, you see that, my viewers and subscribers. So, as I'm out here looking at it, somebody called me and tell me that there was a vehicle where capsized.
When the lady vehicle drop off in the hole since morning.
The lady vehicle?
Yeah, one of them tractors left up off a dry too.
Well, some of viewers and sub, people said they're going to send me the clip because them say a vehicle, a lady vehicle drop off in that section of the road this morning. And I get to understand that there's another vehicle further down the road where the whole of the front end tear off. Yeah, my viewers and sub, tear off. So I'm out here, it's a Thursday, the 3rd of November, my viewers and subscriber, minutes after 10. I'm out on the road, and the road madness continue in St. Thomas, my viewers and subscriber. The road madness continue. Me see the American embassy put out an advisory, and them are from stage 1 to stage 4, where them say stage 4 being the worst. Well, the viewers and sub, me have put out an advisory on St. Thomas Road, you know. St. Thomas Road, I head into stage 3. You know, it continues the same way, it going to reach stage 4, but at the moment, the road in St. Thomas is heading to stage 3, my viewers and subscribers, where it continues to deteriorate very, very bad. And nobody seems like them in charge of it. And rainfall, and when the rainfall, the road saturated, very soft, and deteriorate. And you know the mayhem and the problem will come with all of this, my viewers and subs. So stick and stay. Me dey down at the other end a retreat. Me I look on the road. We are forced stage 3 advisory. Yeah. My viewers and sub. See a vehicle here. We're up on the second. We're up on the second scene. Where a next vehicle. Yeah, a next vehicle run off of the road. Because of the every rain compound by the bad state of road condition in St.Thoma. The bad state continue, my viewers and subscribers, where if it's a rain or fall and you don't have to come out on the road, don't come out. If you don't have to drive at night, don't drive at night, because you can see it, the vehicle has skid off of the road. Yeah. Yeah. So you see, I the vehicle skid off of the road and end up down in the drain. So my viewers and subscribers, down in the lower end I retreat, and the bad state of road, the bad stage of road continue in St.Thoma, where once it's a rain or fall, if you don't have to come out on the road, my viewers and subscribers, with your motor vehicle, please may I ask you, nobody come out on the road. Very dangerous, because a lot of digging up take place and you don't know exactly where to put your vehicle, and you will end up in a ditch or a gutter. My viewers and sub, I tell you, the road ahead to stage 3. Yeah, it's a bad state, don't it? Remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to share out my videos then with your friend. And also remember to leave a comment on my channel to make me know how my channel is performing. For now, it's Big Super out in St.Thoma, looking at the bad state of the road and the bad road condition in St.Thoma. Peace out.